and water, what reaction it is? How the reaction? As in reaction equation, does anybody know?
Raise your hand. Who knows?
Acha, Manish sir, I need you for safety. Put this. Okay, I'll put it here only. If the reaction goes out of control, Manish sir is going to put this water inside. Okay? No problem, no problem. इसको ले ले, ये ले ले. Okay, okay. Anyways, hold on. So I'm going to put this balloon on top of it once the water is filled in. Okay. So all of you ready? Here goes the reaction. You can see the balloon, it is getting filled with hydrogen. Reaction will slowly and slowly accelerate. It's bubbling already. This balloon should not burst. Manish sir, need your help. It's okay, it's okay. Let it. You can see reaction, how it's fast, vigorous. That's it. Leave it. Now this balloon is filled with hydrogen. Okay. So we are going to blow this. Let us see. I mean, all of you are aware that hydrogen is highly inflammable. Okay. So